Does winter spell the end of your gardening endeavors? Think again. The cold season doesn't mean you have to hang up your gardening gloves. In fact, winter gardening can be a delightful, rewarding experience. Stay with us to explore some practical tips for successful winter gardening. Preparation is key when it comes to winter gardening. The first step is to protect your soil using a thick layer of mulch. This acts as a blanket, keeping the ground insulated against harsh winter temperatures. Next, consider choosing plants known for their winter hardiness. These resilient varieties can withstand the cold and give your garden life even in the frostiest of months. And don't forget about composting. A winter compost pile is a great way to recycle kitchen waste and provide nutrients for your soil. With your garden all prepped, you're already halfway there to a successful winter garden. Winter is here, but your gardening tasks are far from over. Even as the snow falls, you must continue watering your plants regularly, as dry winter air can be as harmful as summer's heat. Protecting your green friends from frost is equally vital. Consider using frost cloths or even a simple blanket. And don't forget about those pesky winter pests. Regular monitoring can prevent an infestation before it begins. Consistent care and attention are your secret weapons against the winter chill. Winter is also the perfect time to plan for the spring. Seize this quiet season to thoughtfully prepare for vibrant blooms and lush greenery. Order your seeds in advance. This not only ensures a wide variety to choose from, but it also gives you ample time to strategize your garden layout. Additionally, starting seeds indoors can give your plants a head start, ensuring a robust garden come spring. With these tips, you'll be spring ready even before the snow melts. Winter gardening might seem like a challenge, but with these tips, it can be a breeze. From prepping your garden, maintaining it, to planning for spring, every step is rewarding. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice.